Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix Samsung phone vibration not working problem. Okay, first go to your phone setting, scroll down, select channel management and click on channel management. Scroll down, select reset and tap on reset. Scroll down, select reset all setting and tap on reset setting. Enter your password and go back and to step reset mobile networking setting. Tap on reset setting, enter your password and go back, and last step reset your phone. Thank you watching my video.